Welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to this timeless 2022 on a 22 plate DB11 Coupe. This particular car is a 22 model year, so there were some additional changes that Aston made to DB11 on, I guess, sort of on its run out last couple of years. Not just with a sort of a horsepower increase, there was some different choices of rims and they made a lot of adjustments to the car. They sort of reconfigured the suspension, changed some bits to the MVH and overall made the car a little bit refined across the whole vehicle. So we just wanted to run you through the specification of this car. On the exterior, we'll also take you through on the interior. Let's start with the mileage. So we have 5,900 miles. This vehicle was supplied by ourselves new and will be complete with an HWM service history. There will be a couple of services left on the service package on this vehicle. So running you through the colour of this car. So we have Xenon Grey, sort of becoming a bit of a blue chip colour for Aston on the later product models. We have a very high fleck, quite a nice dark grey finish to the vehicle. And with 22 model year, there were some different things that you could do when you specified the car. Not only did you have the gloss black lower body package on this vehicle, the upper package changed slightly. So what you had was your bonnet vents, your mirror caps, your roof arch and your tailpipes were all linked as one package. And then you can do, like this particular vehicle here, you could option having the gloss black roof. This particular car as well has the gloss black badge set as well, so that's the wing logo on the front and also the script and the logo on the back, finished with a black finish front grille on the front. Taking you through some of those 22 model year changes that you had for DB11. This particular car has the black textured wheels and these were a forged rim. So it was the first time that forged rims appeared on DB11, just on the standard V8 model. You could get this particular wheel when it was available on the V12 AMR. We have red brake calipers behind and a black side strake in your front fender. The other changes that you had for 22 model year, the introduction of privacy glass. So we now have privacy glass on the rear 3/4 of DB11. That was an option if you wanted it. A lot of cars in and around that sort of time, because it was a new feature and a new option, you will probably find quite a few vehicles with that. And as I say, you've got the black roof strake here with your gloss black roof as well. So a really, really nice colourway, this vehicle, nice and simple. And then on moving you onto the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, we have the later script as well. So this was introduced for 2022 model year for DB11. We have your satin black tailpipes, and then we then have red rear lights on the back. Now you can upgrade these to smoked rear lights, but for me, I quite like the fact that these are red. It ties in with your brake calipers, and then when we go through onto the interior, you will see that it would tie in with the interior. But let's give you a bit of a spin around and then we'll take you through on the interior. So for 22 model year with DB11 was the introduction of your Accelerate, Create and Inspire interiors. This particular car does have the Accelerate interior, which gave you the Sports Plus seat that you found in Vantage and also in DBS Superleggera, finished in a rolled leather and a Alcantara seat centre. Now you could have perforated or you could have just regular Alcantara. This particular car does have perforated, and as also you can see, to match that exterior, the red lights and also the calipers, we have the red contrast stitching throughout the interior, the seats, the dash and also some elements of the door card. Part of that interior package, you could have an Alcantara and leather steering wheel, and rather than the round steering wheel that you found on early DB11s, this has got the flat bottom steering wheel. This was the sportier steering wheel that you could have in DB11. The other features that you also had, they changed the paddles on the side of the steering wheel, so off went the slightly rounded shorter paddles. We got the elongated paddles that you found on DBS Superleggera and Vantage, so just giving it a much more sportier feel on the interior. And then finished off in here with the black headlining, your black carpet and also your black piano trim, which feeds you through onto the door casings. This particular car has your sort of, I guess, your standard technology. So you have your infotainment, premium audio, heated seats, memory seats, multi-contour seats as well, so you've got lumbar and bolster adjustment on this particular car, and then things like your 360 cameras and also your cruise control and speed limiter are all standard features on this vehicle. Should you want something like Apple CarPlay, we now can supply that as an accessory to the vehicle, so if you want to, you can have that fitted to the vehicle before purchase or post-purchase. That's entirely up to you, but if you want further details on this car, do give us a call here at the showroom, or you can visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.